Building space in downtown Toronto is tight, so the demolition of an existing building and 5 levels of underground parking is required to make room for a new residential addition at 700 Bay Street. An already demanding job is made more complex by the fact the building occupies an entire city block, leaving zero space for equipment and machine storage. Emergency vehicles are dispatched from the nearby children's hospital, so the site's surrounding streets must be kept clear. And any materials moving in or out of the site will have to be transported without disrupting traffic. Such a crucial job calls for a professional's expertise, and the folks at Priestly Demolition are more than up for the challenge. Priestly has already demolished the 2-story building and is now on to removing the 5 levels of the parking garage.
We're right in the heart of downtown Toronto. The site is very tight. You're bringing in trucks to get material out and bring material in. It's a busy area. We've got to make sure that safety is 100% here as well. And when we have open holes or open pits, we've got to safeguard those areas so that nobody falls.
With limited space to operate, Priestly has to perch themselves up in precarious places, which calls for extra safety measures.
There's perry jacks set up on the P1, P2, and P3. They have to sit over top of those jacks. So once they finish a bay, they clear everything, and I have my guys go in there, take the next bay of jacks out so he could proceed to break that as well. We've had no issues right now. PCL is very happy with our work. We just got to continue that now.
As Priestly wraps up the first phase, they work in tandem with HCM, who will be securing the walls of the site with tiebacks.
We finished phase 1. We're now attacking P2 level. We're hitting our targets and meeting our schedule. I think the whole goal is to make sure we knock these slabs down every time we attack it, get out of here, and let HC Mac do their thing.
As Priestly finishes cleaning up the level, their equipment is moved out by crane so that the tieback crew can get to work. Once the walls are secured, Priestly gets the green light to begin demolition on the next level.
Okay, we just completed P3 level. Just about a couple hours ago, we pulled out our machines. We've got to work as a team together with HCM to get cranes in, our equipment in, and keep it safe.
With the tiebacks complete, Priestly begins demolishing the final level of the parking garage.
We've got a crane on site, we got a skip in, we got all this rubble because we just broke the last suspended slab. So now we're sitting on slab on grade. So right now what we're doing is we're loading up skip bins and bringing it up to the ground level where we have an excavator that's loading up our dump trucks to get the material out of here. Right now as it stands, I got to get dump trucks set up outside and there's very limited space for parking and stuff. So we're very busy out there with traffic control, the pedestrians and everything that goes around this building. A lot of work, a lot of push and pressure to get it done, but we're handling it.
The last of the debris is cleaned up and the demolition at 700 Bay is complete. 100% of the 5,500 tons of concrete on this job was recycled, as well as 110 tons of metal. Priestly overcame major challenges, delivered on time, on budget, and safely, clearing the way for the tower crane that will help construct this new livable space for the City of Toronto.